What's up guys, Mark Johnson here, back again with another video. Today's video is kind of just abstract, honestly. This is my first open house and I just wanted to document that for you guys. I guess it's not my first, this is the first house that I've done an open house for. I did an open house yesterday and I did one again today, both from 11 to 2. We each had one person show up each day. So not much chance to like talk to people or like work on, just getting in the groove of what to say at an open house. But yeah, I mean, we did it. Yeah. Yesterday was a little weird because it wasn't syndicated on the MLS. So like no one on like Zillow or Realtor.com or anything like that knew about it. And then today it was, but even still, the lady yesterday who came was just staying down the street, and then the lady and her husband that came today just happened to see the sign and came by. So like no one's agent sent them, no one saw it on Zillow or Realtor or anything like that. They just saw the open house signs and came on by. So a bit of a weird experience for first up. I mean, I guess you could call it a success because I did get to speak to two different sets of people, but at the same time, two people in 2 days for 6 hours worth of an open house. I wouldn't call that, great, but hey, more people saw the house than, if I didn't do the open house, right? Just stipulation. This is not my listing, by the way. I just was like, hi, can I do an open house? And that's how this went. Honestly, like I thought more people would come, even with like not hearing about it. I was also like, again, I guess it's weird considering that, it's, quarantine and, well, we're not in quarantine anymore, but it's just a little weird coming to an open house with, Corona and everything. But I mean, as you can see, like I didn't bring any like snacks or like waters or any of that stuff that I watched on like every single video on YouTube. I literally kept it like super simple. Like I didn't want to like have things that people could like touch and be worried about germs and this and that. But like I have my hot sheets here for the MLS. So like that's a thing. I printed off plenty. I printed off 20 and I gave away 2. So I have 18 left over. But I'm just gonna show you guys the house real quick. It's a 4.3, it's 2734 square feet. Price is $374,900. It's like really nice house too. It's in like a vacation rental neighborhood, but like you can live in it if you want to. People live, people rent, it all depends. Here, I'm gonna switch this around here. All right, so like, again, they've got it situated where like you can sleep like 8 people. Like this is a conjoining bathroom right here. So we're just taking our way through the bathroom. Got a nice, bathtub here. It's the only bathtub in the whole house, honestly though. And then here we have another 2-bed setup, but we have a nice big closet over here. Like I said, they have it set up really nicely. The laundry room's really nice in my opinion. Some really nice appliances. And then they actually have the garage finished off here where, like it's a game room. So you've got air hockey, foosball. But I mean, obviously, if you wanted to live here and not rent it out as a vacation home, you could easily just take the stuff out and just pull your car in if you wanted to. Now here we have another bedroom. If you wanted to, you could totally put this into like a double vanity, but right now it's just got the one sink, which I think is plenty, obviously. And then their like glass enclosed showers, in my opinion, are really, really nice. I like the mosaic there and everything. The stonework's nice. It's another, in my opinion, like these are really good sized bedrooms. I think this is like, I would call this a queen in my opinion. So yeah, you got like a queen bed, and especially like if you're using it as a vacation home, these closets are more than enough. I've had smaller closets in my life, honestly. And then you'll never be late to dinner with this room right here because it is connected directly to the dining room, which for me would probably be my room because I'm never late for any meal, as you can tell here. But yeah, so the kitchen here Kitchen here has stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and the cabinets are like really high quality wood. Now, personally, ceramic tile is not my thing, but especially for like vacation homes, dude, I think this is like super nice, honestly. I prefer hardwoods personally, but again, vacation homes, I mean, also personal preference, honestly. And then living room, super big, super open. You got 3 couches in here. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 3 vacation, or not 3 vacation homes. 3 couches in here. And then we're about to go walk into the master in here. Master, really big in my opinion. So you've got this giant bed in here. And then you've still got, let's see here, all of this room off to the side over here with the nightstand. And then on that side, you've also got plenty of room with the nightstand. And you've got, again, closet over here and also a closet over here. I should probably be turning it around, but honestly, I don't, yeah, whatever. It's way too close to my face and my hair. Gosh. Yeah, so this is going unedited, by the way. Yeah, here, since it's a master, we have double vanity, 2 sinks. I really like the stonework again. And again, a really nice glass enclosed shower, which leads you to the outside. Wait, wrong. Leads you to the outside right here. So I really like that because the master leads you directly out to the Lanai. And I'm gonna take you guys out to the Lanai here. Oh gosh. I mean, like, look how nice this is. Like, this is what you want in Florida. It's a nice in-ground pool. It's heated. And the house has a $25,000 solar like panel system on. So like the electricity here is like $100 a month. For me, for my $100 a month for electric on this big of a house, I would love that. Love, 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 love that. And of course, you've got your nice little seating area here, and you can lay by the pool and whatnot over there. But yeah, so this is the house that I showed for 2 days. This is my first experience with an open house. Again, it obviously wasn't packed. We didn't throw a mega open house and it wasn't a giant party, but at the same time, I did get to talk to a couple people, and yeah, I just wanted to take you on my real estate journey. So this is part of my real estate journey, my first open house. So I hope you guys like the tour of the house, and yeah, if you've ever done an open house and it went like this, or when you were new, you did an open house and you have something I could learn from, throw it down there in the comments. I'd love to hear about your open house experiences. See you guys later. Bye.